Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to add the correct starting equipment. So here is my equipment. It says equipment. This is on my character sheet, and obviously there's nothing here. You have a bunch of stuff in your inventory at the moment that probably shouldn't be there, or definitely shouldn't be there. So what I'm going to ask you to do is go to Builder, click on that, and then I'm going to ask you to go all the way across to Equipment here, number 5, and then where it says Choose, and it says Equipment or Gold, I want you to click on Equipment, and this gives you the options of what you're going to pick. This character is a demo, and I just picked Bard, so I'm going to pick which items I want. It says a rapier or a longsword or any simple weapon. I'm just going to go with a rapier. If I decided not to go with a rapier and went with any simple weapon, it'd let me choose from a long... Ooh, all of a sudden I want a dart. I'm going to have a dart. I throw darts for a living. A diplomat's pack or an entertainer's pack. I'm going to be an entertainer. I'm a dart player. That's what I do for a living. A lute or any other instrument. I'm going to go down to here. You know what? Lute sounds fine. And then leather armor and a dagger is that. And then I click on here that says add starting equipment, and it will automatically add it to my character sheet. So I'm going to go back to my character sheet here. Now the thing is, and this is a tricky part of it, is that once I go back to here, I still have all my equipment added, but the weird thing is there's no, like, it doesn't equip my stuff automatically. So like my armor class is still real low, but I need to equip this, and it makes it go up a little bit. I don't have any stats, that's why it's really low at the moment. So then I equip my dart and I equip my dagger, and then if I go back to actions, I can see that it actually has like updated my dart and dagger attacks and things like that. So that is how you add equipment to your character.